Welcome back to today's videos, guys. It's been a long while since we've looked at the Supra, but we're going to be looking at how to transform this old and tired looking engine bay into something a bit more presentable like shown on screen now. You can do this using common products, and what I'll do, I'll throw up on screen a list of things that you'll need. So the first step is removing the battery. So this is done for safety reasons, because you're going to be spraying degrease and other things around electrical components. After that, just brush down the surfaces, so just to loosen off any grit, so that when it comes to the cleaning stage it's a bit more easier and the dirt comes off. The next step is obviously spraying the degreaser. So as you do that, wipe it off. So this will probably get rid of, I think, around, I'd say probably about 60 to 80% of the dirt. So on the Supra, this was obviously 27 years old worth of dirt, so it came off pretty well. But then the next step, we're going to look at how to remove the remaining pieces. So next, remove any obstacles that were difficult to get in. So you can see on screen, I'm removing this box out of the way just so I can get behind it and get it a little bit cleaner. We then apply the compound polish. This helps remove any of that remaining 20% of dirt. After you've removed that, what I found particularly useful was using a toothbrush. This helped get into every little nook and cranny that was difficult to get to, so really helps clean it up. And then you can move on to some of the fun stuff, so the metal polish. So I started off using this brand of metal polish on screen now, and applied it to the strut brace, which it came out okay. When I got onto the air intake piping, that's where it really showed the difference. So it's pretty amazing, really. You apply it in the same way as compound, rub it on and then wipe it off, and you can see the difference on screen now between the area that I polished and the area that I haven't. Obviously the areas that I haven't polished, you can see are still matte and very dull, whereas on the left hand side now, you can see it's very shiny. That brings us on to the last stage. So applying plastic restorer, just bringing back some life into the black plastics. So like I said, they're 27 years old, so just making them shine and pop a little bit more. So I used a Maguire's product, same method, rub it on, wipe it off, and yeah, so that's pretty much all there is to it. It actually doesn't take that long, and you end up going from an engine bay like this, which looks old and tired, to a much more fresh, more appealing looking engine bay. So that's it for this video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please don't hesitate to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next one.